when we look at the sustainability of income over a longer period of time, it's amazing that the number of businesses that have that sustainability are the ones that are run with a higher purpose and that look after people and do things in the right sort of way. Financial performance and driving for the dollar or the buck or whatever else you want to talk about, at the bringing costs out of the business as much as possible, certainly is a feature that we see. But the very best businesses, and the ones I think that leave a lasting impression, are definitely the ones that are run in the right sort of way. They're often run by somebody who lives and breathes the business, and puts all their energies into it, and recruits people who are in the same mold as themselves, who maybe share the same vision. So from our point of view, I think we definitely look for longevity of earnings, and then look at the way in which it's done, not just the pure financial performance.